Hey there team, Friday the 20th today. We got our last workout for the week. Today we've got a EMOM, a couple different EMOMs here. So warm up, we're going to do an EMOM for 6 minutes, moving through 6 different movements. We're going to start with our mountain climbers, go to burpees, then body weight lunges, 30-second run either outside or in place, either one of those is fine, trying to get our legs pumping, and then plank shoulder taps, and finally finish with more body weight lunges. Then from that, we're going to go right into our workout. Workout is 3 different movements. We're doing this for 15 minutes today. So minute 1, we're going to do some sort of monostructural movement. For most of you, that's probably going to mean running because of limited equipment. But you can run, you can bike, you can row. We're trying to get a maximum distance in 45 seconds of that minute. So make sure you rest for about 15 seconds at the end of that minute so you can prep to go into the next movement. Movement 2 is going to be a little bit interesting. It's going to be a backpack devil's press. A couple different ways to do this. You can either do your burpee on top of the backpack or put the backpack in slightly in front of you so you don't have to burpee on top of it. That would be for if you have maybe some odd objects inside of that, or maybe it raises you off the ground too much. We want to try to get as much of that range of motion on that burpee as we can. So you're going to do your burpee onto that backpack or in front of you, come out of it, and then we're going to go from one kind of smooth movement, picking that backpack off the ground to bring it all the way overhead. So what it's going to look like is kind of here. And you'll want that backpack right in between your legs, kind of right in that center of gravity of your entire body. If it's too far out in front of you, you're going to be putting too much arch in your back and kind of overextending trying to reach that. So really make sure it's right in line with your body, driving through your legs, bringing it overhead in one smooth movement. So at speed, it's going to kind of look like this. That'll be your devil's press there. And then finally, minute 3, you're going to finish with alternating reverse backpack lunges. We did these earlier in the week. You're going to hold the backpack here or on your back, and then we're just going to lunge, taking a backward step rather than forward. This puts a little bit load a little bit differently on your body. And we want to make sure that we're not using our back leg to push off, pushing ourselves forward. We want to try to drive as much as we can with that front leg really good and steady as you go into that lunge. After the workout, that'll be for 15 minutes. We've got a little option or finisher. It is a little bit of an ab circuit. So what that'll be is a left side plank, right side plank, and then a glute bridge hold. So if you've never done a side plank before, you can either do it, again, palm down or forearm. We really want to focus on keeping that arch in our body and really driving towards the ceiling with that side. This is kind of activating your obliques here. That's what we're going for. So you'll do that, or on forearm, same idea, just a little lower to the ground. You'll do that on your left side, your right side, and then you're going to go to that glute bridge hold. Glute bridge hold again, feet as close to your butt as you can, driving up, holding that position. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.